Okay, so let's take a look at how do we create a project file. Well, first of all, what is a project file? So a project file, which shows up right here, if I click on projects, it will actually take me to somewhere where there is a project. But by default, it has this project file. A project file is just a little tiny file that's sort of like a key card that says all of your stuff for this project is located right here. And what will happen is all of the stuff, all the parts you create will all be located in that same space. And if you open that project file, it allows the computer to find all those files without you having to go do a big search every time you want to do something. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new project file, and we're going to do a single user project. You would do this at the beginning of each project that you're working on. And I'm going to call this project file Inventor How To. And the place where I'm going to put it is I'm actually going to search, and I'm going to throw it on my desktop. I already have created a folder called Inventor How To. And you'll notice that the workspace is located here, and then the project file will be created is an IPJ. And I'll go ahead and click Finish. You notice that that's my active project now. I can click Done, and from there I can click on a new file, and if I have a new file created, what I actually will get is when I go to save it, it has taken me directly to that Inventor How To folder rather than me having to go, okay, well, where do I want to save it? I want to do all this other stuff. So it's automatically there, and then I can call it whatever I want. So sample sketch. So I can save it there, and it saves automatically. So I don't really have to do anything to create that project file. Okay. Now, if I close this and I want to open a part, you'll notice that it's still there. Now, if I don't want to be in this project anymore, I can switch projects. And I can go to maybe this one called a snowflake. And this is something I have on my computer already. Click Done, and when I click Open, it takes me automatically to that folder and shows me a part file that I've already created. So I didn't have to do a search for it. Okay. The other cool thing is that if I close Inventor with my project file, so here's the folder I created. So far there's not much going on inside of it. I would just go ahead and start that project file, and then what happens is Inventor starts up, and it says, what do you want to do? I want to open something, and it's already in that folder. So they're all tied together. Okay, so that's basically the gist of how you use the project files, and each project should have a project file that goes with it.